Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can delete or edit your reminders for your workspace team members on Slack really quickly. So drop a like and now let us get started. Alright, so head over to Slack, log into your account, select the workspace here in the top left corner. And just for the sake of this tutorial, I created a reminder like that here. I asked the Slack bot here in a conversation with the Slack bot to remind me to invite new members to this channel of that workspace here tomorrow 9 a.m. So let's say, for instance, you would like to delete that reminder or edit it. All you need to do, guys, is simply click on the reminder below here on delete to get rid of it, or alternately click on view reminders here. That is going to add the channel reminder here, including the most recently added reminders, so that you may go through them and delete them by clicking on this button here to the right. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed the video and we'll see you next time on our channel.